I read a lot about World War I and World War II in the books, but seeing these aircrafts in person, it was something else entirely. Each plane here was more than just a metal. They were vessels of hope and fear, victory and tragedy. World War I, fought from 1914 to 1918, was a global conflict that primarily involved European nations. Over 16 million people lost their lives, and the war fundamentally altered political boundaries across Europe. The Treaty of Versailles, which ended the war, imposed heavy regulations on Germany, sowing the seeds for future conflicts. World War II, which unfolded between 1939 to 1945, was one of the most destructive conflicts in human history, involving over 30 countries. The war concluded with the defeat of the Axis powers, laying the groundwork for United Nations and set the stage for the Cold War. Standing in front of the massive B-29 bomber that dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, I felt heavy sadness. It was a symbol of power and destruction. This was no longer just a mission, it was a witness to the horrors of war. It really hit me how much these missions carry, both in terms of their weight and the weight of the lives they touch. I can think that it's all happened for freedom and honor, but in the air, it's all about survival. It was a reminder that behind every mission here, there were real people with dreams, fears, and families. Both wars taught us painful lessons, but they also sparked a desire for peace that we must continue to uphold.